Hey guys, what are we doing today?
A unicorn.
A unicorn. Who picked that one? Me or you?
Me.
You did. I know. She loves unicorns, and you guys do too. So.
If you're a boy, you may not.
Yeah, if you're a boy, maybe you don't, but maybe you do. Who cares, right? Let's just do it. So, but if you want to follow along, grab a piece of paper and
A Sharpie
And
some colored markers.
some colored markers, and you can follow along. Okay, so we are going to do a unicorn, and this one Cora picked out. This is her favorite. She loves unicorns, right?
No, I don't love, but I just like them.
You like them? Me too. I like them too. All right, so let's start off with the unicorn's head. Yeah, that's a good idea. So up over here on the right side, we're gonna do a shape, kind of like a long C. There's like a little bit of a bump, so the nose is, her head is pointing and looking to the left. So this is her nose, her snout. And then we're gonna do her cheek. So we're gonna do kind of like a round shape like this. Okay. And we will do her horn. So we're gonna do her horn. It has like 3 stacks up here. So let's draw almost like an L shape, like that. And then we'll go up, and we'll kind of like a box. And then we'll draw another smaller, and it's starting to point upward. So we'll do another box up, pointing upward, but it's getting smaller. And the top one has kind of a point to it, like that. And then over on this side, this is gonna be her ear. It's gonna kind of come up, and it's gonna go down to meet her cheek. Yep. Now on this side, she has some hair, so we'll come down like this. And then starting about, a little bit below her ear, right around here, we'll do a teardrop shape like this, and we'll meet up with that piece of hair. And then we're gonna pull off of this line here. We'll do another one. And down around this spot here, we'll draw another curve. And then we'll keep going, and we'll do a third one, like this. Now let's go back to the head. Let's draw a little nose here. A little circle for her nose. And an eye shape, like a U shape right here. And then there's a little piece of hair on this side. Kind of looks like a horn, but that's gonna be a piece of hair. All right, good, that looks awesome. Okay, now we'll go down over here close to the hair. That's gonna be her neck. Starts about like that. Like she's because her head is up here and her neck's gonna be a narrow neck. Now watch how I do this. I'm gonna bring this around over here, okay? So we're gonna come down, we're gonna cut over, come back up, and that's her hind area, okay? Now, right over here, we're gonna draw her back leg. So it's gonna come down and then over, and it's gonna hook this way, and we're gonna go back to the right, and then we're gonna go back up, and then we're gonna have a curve shape like this. And then right around here is gonna be the belly, like that. And then this is gonna be her front leg. It's gonna go to the right. Then we're gonna go down. I'm gonna come across, go upward, back this way, and then we're gonna go up to the hair. That's it. Now let's draw the other legs on the other side. So let's start with the back leg. So we'll start like right about here. Go this way. will come down. We'll go up this way. Up like that, and like that. So that's her back leg. And then the front leg here, this one's gonna come from this intersection right here, or cut over this way. Give some room and some space, we'll come down. Draw this hoof part, we'll go up, and we'll come back. Now we can draw a star over here. You wanna put a star here? Okay, so let's do a star, because I think her name is called Star, right? Stars are a little tricky to do.
Easy. I know how to do it like that, but I know how to do it like this.
Yeah,
easier.
that's perfect. Okay, now we forgot something. Something's missing.
Her tail.
Her tail, yes, doesn't look right. So let's draw her tail. So similar to her hair over here, we'll draw a tail, kind of like a teardrop shape like this. It's gonna be one piece, and it's kind of opposite of those shapes. Then we're gonna go down like this, and then this will be another one, and we'll keep this going, and that'll be her tail, just like that. Hey, that looks really good. I love it. It's awesome. Now, what do you want to do next?
Color.
Color, that's my favorite part. Well, our unicorns turned out really good. I hope yours did too. And we went and we did some like shading with some gray color and things like that. So if you guys feel like you're up for it, go ahead, add in as many details, pick different colors. It doesn't matter. It's gonna look great, whatever it is. So keep up the good work, and we'll see you next time.
Bye,
Bye,
guys.
everybody.
Have a good time.